One of the most complex jobs in the world is being an engineer. Working in various fields, engineers focus in building things for the common good in the field of oil and gas. Engineers design equipment, study the environment, and interact with clients to determine how to extract oil from the earth. Petroleum engineers focus on finding the most cost-efficient methods for mining oil and natural gas while maintaining the safety of the environment and professionals working near the drill site.
Working in the oil and gas industry can be very exhausting, but fulfilling at the same time. In this field, time is very crucial. Everything should be done with precision and accuracy. With this, we, the aspiring petroleum engineers, came up with a project to help engineers in the oil field compute data efficiently and quickly. This would assist petroleum engineers to analyze and calculate figures with just few clicks, rather than manually computing it.
Presenting to you the PetroCalculator. The PetroCalculator is a system that compiled all the formulas necessary in the field of reservoir engineering, drilling engineering, well test analysis, and production engineering and costing in drilling. The calculator we program helps petroleum engineers in determining the value of certain variables that plays a vital role towards successful drilling operations. This would greatly save engineers' time, increase precision of results, and decrease human error caused by inaccurate calculation.
Each of these fields in the PetroCalculator has 3 formulas that allows the user to input the required data in order to come up with the desired calculation. In the PetroCalculator, when the user runs the code, he will be asked if what field of petroleum engineering does the data he wanted to be calculated belongs to, namely reservoir engineering, drilling engineering, well test analysis, production engineering, and costing and drilling. Depending upon his choice, the system will then let him choose from the menu if what specific data he wants to be calculated. For instance, if the user opts well test analysis, then the following choices will appear. If the user chooses fracture conductivity during bilinear flow, then this will appear. After that, the following data will be asked. The data that will be inputted here will depend upon the situation in the oil field. Values of data like the flow rate, formation volume factor, viscosity, and the likes vary and is a case-to-case basis. After inputting all the data, then the variable you wish to be calculated is now solved.
Now that you know how the PetroCalculator works, we will reveal to you what made this possible. Looking at the system 600 line code, first, we defined all of the formula for each of the data to be calculated. With respect to each of the engineering fields, for each defined formula, we created a selection every engineering field. After that, we created a list of selection for you to choose on what subject you want to be solved.
Also, we loop the selection so that the system will end automatically if we finish the calculation. For each subject, we placed our first loop on the selection of subject, and for the second loop, we place it on each topic for each subject. And for the third loop, we place it for you to have an option to solve again or go back to have another option. We also added a breakcode so that if you select the exit option, the loop will end.
Other concepts that we applied in programming the system includes data types like float input, if, elif, and else, variable, string, and different kind of operators.
PetroCalculator will be very helpful for petroleum engineers in computing and analyzing different data with high accuracy and precision. This will also help them save more time as it will not let them compute everything manually.